Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another nice day on this one, and started with the nice bounce on Tuesday, which is still pretty crazy when you stop thinking about it, that at one point the price was literally all the way down there and has now since recovered and continued to recover all the way up to where it's currently at. So the bulls seem to be making an appearance here, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this green line up, which is always good when levels of, assuming you're long, that is, but whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's definitely a step in the right direction. So now that we have more data after today, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up and call the newest ideal level there at $40.80. Ideal meaning, if you're to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above $40.80. Now, if the price drops below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because you still do have now what I would point out as more so a must-hold level of support, and that's that pink line down there, the 200 period moving average, which on my chart we'll just call $39.75. And the reason why that level is much more important is if the price were to come down to that area and then just break down through it and continue to go, at that point, what would you have? Well, you would all of a sudden have the price essentially right back to where it was at those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine strength or true power or anything like that. But again, if the price can at least stay above $39.75, that would represent some overall progress in the upwards direction. Now, in the event the price just wants to, turn itself around and keep on working upwards, let's talk about some areas of resistance. Next key overarching level of resistance to watch closely, going to be up there at the $43 mark. So keep a close eye on that as really the next main overall area. But any angle you look at it, nice solid movement. Once again, price is now starting to put in some higher highs, higher lows within the context of this bounce. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon the momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.